Observe the figure below. What figure is given? Right, it is a rectangle. Today we will find out how to find the area of a rectangle. But first, let's recall what area is. Area is the amount of space enclosed in a figure. It tells you how many square units of the same size can fit inside the shape. Also, we measure area using square units. So how do we find the area of a rectangle? To find the area of a rectangle, we will count all the square units inside the figure. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, the area of the rectangle is 6 square units. Let's have more example. What is the area of the figure below? In this figure, we will draw same sizes of squares. Inside the figure, we have 7 units long and 3 units wide. So 7 units long means we will draw 7 same sizes of square in each row. And in 3 units wide, we will draw 3 same sizes of squares in each column. Then after that, we will count all squares inside the figure to get the area. By counting all the squares, you will get 21. However, there is an easier way to count the number of squares inside the figure without actually counting them one by one. That is, we can easily multiply the length and the width of the figure given. So, we will have 7 times 3 is equal to 21. So, the area of the rectangle is 21 square units. Next, what is the area of the figure below? To get its area, we can draw same sizes of square, then count them all, or we can easily multiply the length and the width of the given figure. Let's try to multiply them instead of counting. So we will have 7 times 4 is equal to 28. Therefore, the area of the rectangle is 28 square units. Now, let's study the figures below. What did you observe in the figures? That's right. The figures resemble a square and a rectangle. If you will add more squares of the same size like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, the first figure will form a square and the second figure will form 1, 2, 3, 4, a rectangle. And what we did with the figures is actually what call estimating. Let's define what estimating area is. To estimate the area of a figure, count the number of square units, including those that are not complete units. The word about in the answer shows that an answer is an estimate. Always remember, if we are looking for estimating area, we need to use the word about. Okay, now let's have an example. What is the estimated area of the figure below? Remember, in estimating the area of a figure, we will count the number of square units, including those that are not complete units. So in this figure, we need to add same sizes of square to complete the figure. After that, we will count all the square to get the estimated area. So let's add 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is the area of the figure given is about 16 square units. Remember, we need to include the word about because we are looking for estimated area, or we can also say that the estimated area of the figure is 16 square units. Next, what is the estimated area of the figure below? Again, remember that in estimating area of a figure, we will count the number of square units including those that are not complete units. So in this figure, we need to add same sizes of square to complete the figure. After that, we will count all the squares to get the estimated area, or we can easily multiply the two measurements given. That is 5 units times 5 units is equal to 25. So the answer is the area of the figure given is about 25 square units. Remember, we need to include the word about because we are looking for estimated area. Next, what is the estimated area of the figure below? How will you find the estimated area if the figure is like this? Same as the example or same as the two examples, we will add same sizes of square to complete the figure. Remember, in estimating area of a figure, we will count the number of square units including those that are not complete units. But in this case, we will just multiply 2 units to find the estimated area of the figure. So, 3 units times 5 units is equal to 15. Therefore, the answer is the area of the figure given is about 15 square units. Last one. What is the estimated area of the figure given below? Remember, in estimating area of a figure, we will count the number of square units including those that are not complete units. But like example number 3, we will just multiply the 2 units to get the estimated area of the figure. So 6 units times 4 units is equal to 24. So the area of the figure given is about 24 square units. Thank you.